Welcome back to this channel. On my last video, I talked about how to generate script for YouTube video with ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show you how to transform your YouTube script into voiceover. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So all you need to do is to go back to ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT. Once you open your ChatGPT, then you copy the YouTube script you created last time. First of all, you copy the introduction of the YouTube script. Then once you copy the introduction, then you go to your Google and type TTX Maker. Then you open it on Google. So this platform allows you to make use of voiceover, any voices you want for free. You are not going to pay any dime on this website. So all you need to do is to paste the introduction we copied from ChatGPT. Then you paste it here. Then once you paste the introduction here, then this is the voices you have to use for your voiceover. Then you check the ones that is suitable for you for your video. These are voices you can make use of in your so these are the voices you can use on your videos. So let's make use of this. This is the one I normally use. The reason why I'm normally using this one is the conversion characters is 3000. As you can see, this one over here, this one is 500. Then this one is 3000. This is the best voice I do use for my videos. So the next thing you should do is to input these numbers over here. Put the numbers, then you go ahead and convert to speech. You click over here. Then you have to verify you are not a robot. Then you click verification. As you can see over here, it has been verified. You click OK.
What's up, pop culture fan? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the hottest trends in tech, finance, and everything that's shaking up the world. Today, I've got a mind-blowing story for you. How I turned just $100 into thousands using AI-powered crypto strategies. Yeah, you heard that right.
Okay, as you can see it, this is the best voice I have been using for my videos. Once you are done, then you download your text to speech. As you can see over here, you can see your download button over here. Click the download button and your file is ready to use. You can go to your download and check it. So once you are done with the introduction, you head back to ChatGPT. And remember, please, while you are copying your script, make sure you read your script before you convert to text to speech. Make sure you read it before you convert to text to speech, because sometimes ChatGPT do make mistake on script. So make sure you read before you convert to text to speech. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and check our previous videos. We do make videos on how to make money online, cryptocurrency and lifestyle. You can also check some of our motivational videos that can help you in your life. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.